This
Agenda.
conference will now be recorded.
How to install Pega product. How to install Pega product or Pega tool. How to open Pega application. How to open or how to okay, how to open Pega Cloud. And before that, how to start or put it. How to start and stop server and open Pega application. We'll see these points. I think everybody will have Pega software right now with the latest version is 8.7. Before going to that, I will explain you about the Pega version history. Pega tool or software versions. P.X I can put it. Now, version history. Industry using almost 8.x. X means 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, latest one. Pega tool will have version format nn.nn.nn. What do you mean that? Version format. What do you mean that? Pega tool will have the version format Pega, and not only Pega, everyone, every language, every tool will have version format, versions, numbers. Even your family also will there, right? Your surname with the versions, but the names will be changed, but surname will be keep on same thing, never change. The same thing Pega will be same, but whenever I'm adding the new features, right? Just already released a product. I got new ideas I want to implement, but those new ideas I want to give the free, because if even we plan to buy some car, then they'll tell you this is all the basic for this is the price. Maybe if you want any extra advanced features, you need to pay those features. That is the business. So if you buy the basic price, then they won't give you all things remaining advanced features as a free. Because that is the case, then I won't find anything new features for you. Because whatever I'm giving best for you, easy purpose, for your satisfaction. The same thing, it is a business. I need to give the as a cost, not a free. So Pega tool will have versions, because otherwise if you're not maintaining the version format, I can't maintain the backup. Today Pega, there is like one feature, account feature. The first feature I kept and then released a Pega product. So then again I'm going to release I thought like we'll need to put in the credit card feature, debit card features. These two features I want to add inside the Pega product. Now already customers are using Pega product using of account functionality. Now I'm going to adding two more new features. Then customers need these two features also. But what I have to do? I don't want keep because some of the customers fine with account feature only. They don't want who required advanced features. Then they will take. It's not required. I don't want to go for that. So they will continue my basic price, the basic product. If we require advanced features based on the requirement, then they will give the quotation, they will take it. So now I'm going to adding of customer credit card, debit card feature. Then for that, the name will be same. Then I'm going to giving of 2.0. First is 1.0. I given the version Pega product. When I'm going to adding of 2.0. But here the given format. So because the product we are adding of simple feature, medium, complex, simple, medium, complex. For every, so based on the adding of feature value, like it is very simple or is medium or complex. Then we need to change the versions. The first one is major version. Second one is minor version. 01, I will give example 01 and 01. So this is the initial version. When I release the Pega, this is the initial version. So this is the major version, this is the minor version within the major and patch version within the minor. Whenever I'm going to adding of any complex feature, then I will change 02. Is a medium feature 02 minor. Very simple feature then 02. So based on adding of feature, I'm going to changing the version format. Now before one, now it came 8 version, 8 and 7 medium. 8.7 0 or 01 also always came. 8 now industry, so people will call, they will they won't talk about patch version. They'll say that 8.7 simple. They will so 0 or 8 you can dot 07 other you can 0 whatever you can call, but very simple way they call Pega 8.7 version. That is the latest version. But industry still they're using 95% 8.x, 8.1, 8.5, 8.6, all are same old because major not change. If you change the major, it will come 9. All are the medium, so almost will be equal, no doubt on that. In still few of the people are using 7.x version. 7.x version. Only 5 people, 5%. But we'll see the higher version. Why? Because lower, so when you know higher version, lower version is not a big deal to handle for you, right? It's not a big deal, right, to handle lower version. But when you go for 7.x, it's not even 7.x is not available in the Pega product itself. I mean website itself to practice also. But I have just I'm telling you. So we have the backup. We can do that, but it's not required. Even the certifications also available 8.x, that is the 8.7 latest on CSA, CWSA, all certifications right now. So now we are going to see that 8.7 version. So if you know higher version, so lower version is not a big deal to handle. So we are going to concentrating 8.7 version. So Pega will have the version format formula major dot minor dot patch version nn dot nn dot n. Based on adding of features, will be adding the maybe simple feature 02, major, my medium, and 8 is a complex. Then they'll change 9 version. So it will maybe come 9.0 or first initial they will release the 0 only. 9.0.0 or 9.01.01 whatever. So this is they're following the version format. It's not only for the Pega, even Java, .NET, everywhere. we have the version form. Even we have the general, our family, but we're not using numbers, but we have the surname, but changing the names for grandfather, father, and child, kids generation. So surname will be there, but they are changing the name. That's called family hierarchy. That's called backup. All features are always coming continuously. It will be coming. Properties, features, whatever. So we are reusing that. So the same formula they are applying to here also. This is called version format. Now, one more thing I forgot to tell you, Pega certifications. Very important. So our developer role. So we are the developer, right? So developer role. CSA, CWSA, CLSA. Full form certified system architect, certified senior system architect, certified lead system architect. This is you forget, but I will explain you what is doing, what is their responsibilities for you. This is who have experience in Pega at least 6+ year minimum. Then those people will concentrate CLSA. For you only 3-4 years, right? So we can go for the 3 years, not 4 years also. So CSA, CSSA, Certified System Architect, Certified Senior System Architect, Certified Lead System Architect. This is developer level certification path. First initial certification level 1, level 2, level 3. So level 1, level 2 you need to complete. No, it is mandatory for you. Okay, that's not an issue. Easily you can close it. LSA means that is after 6 years, maybe at least. If you have good experience in the Pega 3 years, then you are okay. Then you can consider about LSA. If you have LSA certification, that's very demand in the IT market. Never get, because LSA also again there are part 1, 2 parts are there. Part 1, part 2. Part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is the exam, part 2 is a project. Okay, part 1 is exam. After once it is completed, then we will go project. It is a project. It is released. It is done by, generally this exams will be done by the center. But project 2, part 2, it is a project. It will be released directly. It will be assigned to the by the Pega system. By the Pega system to you, they will give the 14 days for you. In part 2 also again there's 2 pages are there. 2 pages. Page 1 and 2. Phase 1, what they're giving the requirement, right? For that you need to prepare the design documents. For that they will give the 14 days for the India country. If you go for US, then 7 days only. And once it is complete, once you get the approval, then we'll move to the phase 2. That is called app build. Whatever you given the design documents, by using of this, we need to build the application by using of Pega tool. For that they will give the 14 days. If you clear this, you are the no need to go anywhere. You will be in India, you will get good package, nearly 70 lakhs. That is Pega capability. So this is about developer level certification path. Okay. Any questions about this? Okay, fine. Now,
Sir, one question, sir. Sorry. What about the certification charges, sir?
this is 17,000 year. This is 17, this is 17, this is 17. But if you come into part 2, 40,000. Okay. Yeah. Now, I think we need to plan for that to install the Pega software. Already told you that. So first check your system specifications. Go for this PC. Right click on this and see the properties. Whether my machine 64-bit or not. And I want to see the what GB, 8 GB, 4 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, whatever. So it is a 8 GB and 64-bit machines also. Good. So my system eligible to install Pega software. Okay, then so how to install the Pega software, how to get it? Generally, in the real-time level, you don't worry about this. This is will be taken care by the administrator. Okay, this completely will take care by the administrator, not by you. But we have to know what he's doing from starting to. So first of all, we are going to start from the from scratch project, right? So this all thing will be taken by the lead and administrator. We're not involving this area. As Pega SDLC, we have, what is SDLC, software development life cycle. In that, Pega will have inception, elaboration, construction, transition. Inception means gathering of requirement, elaboration, design documents, estimations, installation part, construction is our part, development, transition, deploying and testing, both the steps will be there. Now, testing and deployment. Now, we are in the still inception stage, only gathering of requirements, everything is done that. Just assume that. By BA, Scrum Master will be involved, subject matter expert, LSA, product owners, and our guys will be involved, but we're not involving here. We are not, developers role will be still not, we won't be involved in this area. So when they given the everything is requirement, for this requirement I need to talk with the Pega system people. I don't have any Pega software till now, so we completely got the requirement okay, from client. So now I'm the BA person. Now I'm going to talk with my LSA and project managers. This is the requirement. For this, we need to get the quotation from the Pega system. So I don't want all the right, because Pega is providing number of features. You understand? As I told, that number of features. Maybe in my project, basic is core application. Apart from that, there's advanced features. Maybe integration features, different things will be there. Email integrations. So I don't want few things is not required. Why should I unnecessarily spending the money? What is required for that feature only I will discuss the Pega system. I need to get the quotation, means price. This is I will talk with my project managers and LSA people. Then they will talk about the technically, and after that there is one team is there here in any organization. So who will handle license? Who will handle the license of the product for all the BPM tools? Anything, BPM tools, Pega, APN, IBM BPM, Salesforce, whatever. We'll talk to them. This is my requirement. This is done. Then what I have to say, then we need to get the approval from the license tool team. Then they will approve that. Then they will give all our requirement to them. They will talk to Pega system people. So this is my requirement. Then they will arrange the meeting with the Pega system, and according to that, once you give the completely requirement to them, then according to they will give the quotation. This is the quotation. This much price will be there monthly for the this many, how many users going to use this product. That's very important. Based on the users only they will calculate the money. The people, this many count is there, this many count is there, and the requirement will be there. According to that, they will give the quotation. Once they'll send to the back the licensed product, then they said okay, then they'll talk to with our product manager, our managers, and client people. Everything is deal is okay. They'll give the sign off. After that, once they get it, then they will release the Pega product. How to release your question? So there is, I don't know everything. Pega is licensed, right? You know well. It is a licensed project, correct? It's completely licensed. So we never get anything on outside. There is a what is going the Pega product. I want to know that. What is the breaking news is going? How I know was it is coming other versions, some other features, something is achievements. There is our own website will be there in they released, that is Pega PDN, Pega Discovery Network. Please click this website, very important. In future also don't depend on me, anyone, not only me. They're saying that don't depend any other, please depend on me only, Pega product. You want everything is available in my Pega Help. Pega Help means that's called Pega Discovery Network. You guys, everyone, you need to create account here by using your Gmail ID. Please select this option here, go for sign up, then create the account. Quick, everyone, create the account quick. Please open that. This is our own website. If you want any kind of support, business support, technical support, software support, training support, everything I can get it from here only. How we can communicate, how to contact Pegasystem. Here we need to raise your request. There is a, when you're a partner to the Pegasystem, automatically there are a few other features will be available. There we can raise the request to discuss with you. Then through that they will reach us. Then we'll have the meeting. We'll discuss everything. So everyone, please immediately you need to create the account here. You need to create the account here. Quick, please. And there is a company name will be there. Company name. You can give anything given. So if you're not working in IT industry, if you're working as some IT industry, give your name, your company name, and give your personal mail ID. Again, I'm telling, don't create your account using of your professional mail ID and use your personal mail ID, but company name you can give it. But if you're not working any IT industry, then what we can give our company name SM Infotech, not a problem with that. Okay, give that, input details, first name, last name, mail ID, company name, and password, and create it. You've done that. After clicking sign up, you will get it. So we need to create the new account in the Pega website. Once you've done that, so then go for our community. This is our community, Pega community. Everything I can get it here. So this is our website. How we can use, I'll talk to you on Monday, not now. Okay, here we'll write the request. They will provide you the Pega software. Understand it. You just think it about that. I got the Pega software here. So that option is available under support menu. There is a Pega download software will be there. So if you click on this, then I can download the Pega software. That is who is partner the Pegasystem. Those people only will get the Pega personal edition or enterprise edition if you get the license. That how to get it, talk to Monday, not now. Okay, now just assume that we got the Pega software. I think everybody is you got it, Pega software, right? So now Pega software, this is the 8th version, 11 ID, this called, and PE personal edition .8.7. As of now already I have installed. I'm going to deleting my installation part. Delete. I'm going to uninstall Pega software. and go for the just not deleting only the shortcuts where you installed Pega software. That location, if you have to go there, there is a PRPC personal addition will be one folder will be there. If you delete, then only we did uninstall. Otherwise, still it will be there Pega in your system. Just click on the delete it. I'm just deleting. I'm just uninstalling Pega software in my system. Just deleting of those folder. If you delete that option, that folder, you uninstalled Pega software in your system. I don't want to go for control panel. It's not required. You can do it directly here. After that, I'm the Pega administrator as of now. Okay, I'm the administrator as of now. I'm playing as administrator role. So I'm just deleting whatever is not required. The software. You guys, please keep it ready. Your system also start by seeing the parallelly or what I'm doing right now here. If you guys already installed, fine. Still, if someone is, I think, here, we install, but we are facing some issues. Who is that?
Yeah, this is Vijay. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, Vijay. You are
Yeah.
installed successfully or not?
Uh, the, the link was installed, but it is showing that some error. So right now was that outside. After seeing this video, I can install. No.
Okay,
So I'm not in your.
fine. Oh yeah, taking more time. Sorry, Vijay, we're not getting. I think your voice is breaking.
Right now it's outside. So I'm seeing this
Okay,
install.
fine. Yeah.
If got any issues, I will inform you tomorrow, class.
Tomorrow, day after, no class. Saturday, Sunday, Monday you have again today's gap. From what we discussed last 5 days classes, please we have the recording classes. Watch it clearly. Monday will ask you questions. What we discussed till now, what is Pega, what is BP, what is BRE, what are the Pega features, what are the rules are there. You need to explain the rules and what are the Pega softwares, how they build it, how to install it. These all things questions I will ask you on Monday. You have to give the answer. Just only 15 minutes or 20 minutes will ask you questions. Then we'll start the class because every Monday we have mock interview, but right now at the initial stage we don't have that those many topics. So that's I will whatever we covered. So that's enough to ask the questions. 30 to 20 minutes enough. Remaining 40 minutes we'll go for the class. Please prepare well. Going still. %. I'm just you don't because you don't have Pega software, right? In my system, I installed Pega 8.7. I'm just uninstalling again for reinstalling purpose. What is the server in the personal edition? What is server? We have internal server, right? In the Pega product, Tomcat server. In the personal edition, they given the Tomcat server. What is database? They given in the personal edition, Progress SQL is the internal database. It is an internal server inside the Pega product. If we talk what is language, Java language is common in personal edition or enterprise edition, both version. But maybe it will change the database and server. So other servers are available. WebLogic server, JBoss server, WebSphere server. These all servers are available. So based on the requirement, they will ask you in the Enterprise Edition. But as of now, we are going to installing this. They given the Tomcat server and PostgreSQL database in the personal edition. So generally, if we call internal database PRPC database, internal server Tomcat or Pega server. So no need to install again separately. When you're installing Pega, so Tomcat server, database, everything will be installing. I'll show you proof also. Is correct or not? Right? Without server, you're not able to run the application. So, right, without server, we're not able to run the application. We're not able to open the application. You know, generally Gmail, something, Facebook, sometime will be server will be down, not able to open. You'll get the some kind of error code 404, right? 504 something. It means that server down will be there. Then that's why not able to open the application. So server, your application will be there inside the server. Server running, then application will be running. Server will be stopped, then application will be stopped.
When I was installed, it was showing the port error. Sir,
Port,
actually,
port number. You're asking port
it's
number?
something 5403 something I have
Yeah,
entered.
yeah.
Yes,
There's
yes,
a
yes, port
port
number.
number
It was I have given some.
and Tomcat port number, say PostgreSQL port number 80805423. Yes. Give the same thing, na? It is available
Yeah.
already or not? I'll tell you, I'll show you.
8.4 was installed. It was opened, but 8.7 was getting issues. So I was after asking you, I will
8.4
check it.
just remove now. Why is required? Make it
No, no,
a
I have
latest.
removed. Just I was, yeah, just I was checking that was installing or not. Just I was
Mm-hmm.
checking.
8.4 don't
After that,
and everybody
I
please
already
back
installed,
to
uninstalled.
8.7. Yeah, yeah.
Uninstalled. I already just I want to check. So the reason I was installed and uninstalled again.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Refresh. Refresh. Now create one folder here. New folder. Give some Pega. Why? Because we downloaded Pega product. Which format? GIF format. So Pega product, what format they will give you? GIF format. So GIF format, we need to unzip it. We need unzip. How to unzip? Go here, right click on the file, extract files. It will ask you location. That location I'm giving a C folder. Expand Pega. Done. So now I'm extracting that one. We need to extract the your product file. It is a Pega product file. It is zip file. So I need to uninstall. I need to unzip it. Then only we can see that what are the files are available inside the product. So this is when you're going to start your project from scratch. The first stage they will take the setup. This will be complete. Will take care by the Pega administrator. This will happen, this all the in the elaboration stage. After completing the inception stage, we have the elaboration stage. There we can design documents, estimations, installation setup. These all steps will be done by the in the elaboration stage. This is called Pega SDLC. Is it done? Once it reach 100% here, then it will be closed. Okay, done now. Go for C folder, check it here, Pega, open this, see that. Now it is installed. So Java and PRPC underscore PE Pega rules process commander personal edition. If you talk license product, here W will be the enterprise edition. So how you know it is a PE or WE? Is license product or free version? By seeing this, I can tell that. Now we need to install Pega software in my system. How to install it? There we can use batch file is there. The batch. By using of batch file, I'm going to install Pega software in my system, in my local system. Just right click on this, open that. Now it will open command prompt. So it is saying that I'm just launching Pega and it will open on a pop-up window. That is Pega personal edition. Wait, it is still going. Yeah, see that. So Pega Platform Personal Edition. In the real-time level, Pega Platform Enterprise Edition. So I'm the Pega administrator. I'm installing right now in my cubicle in my project level. Now in my local machine. Click next. Next. Accept all your license, everything. Next. Now select installation process to run. So installation database server and load the database and create the shortcuts in the desktop. Launch Pega platform. These are like you don't have rights also. They made is disable option. Only this. It means that once you install the Pega software successfully, you want to launch the Pega platform, then click it. No, I don't want Pega launch. Make it unselect it also. As of now, you guys please unselect it. Don't select it because you don't know. I will launch manually. I don't want automation way. So please unselect this option. Click next. So where you are going to installing this software location C, D, E, A, what, where? We give where you have the good space. Okay. I'm just giving the C folder. Click next. Now he's asking you. There's a port numbers are there. I told you there's two servers are there. One is Tomcat server and database server. Every server will have the one unique ID. It is called port number. 8080 by default number. This 5 for the database. First check it. These numbers, these ports already used in our system. How to check it? Port availability. Both these, and when you select that option, you will get one more pop-up message that is Java related. Click allow access. Allow access. The both are is available for me. Okay. Click next. Next, start the begin. So I'm going to start the to install in my system. Output errors. Output errors. Two tabs are there. We can call it tabs. Output is how it is going. Is there any errors? I can see it here. Nothing, blank. Read it everything. You will understand well. So it's beginning Pega 8.7.0 personal edition. It is taking the 5 to 10 minutes. So based on the RAM size here, it is 16 GB will finish. The installation will finish within 10 minutes or even 5 minutes also when we have the 16 GB. Even we have good space. Otherwise, I have 16 GB no space means it will take more time. For 8 GB, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. But if you have 4 GB, it will take more than half an hour. Okay. We'll install it 4 GB also, but problem is the application will run very slow. That is the problem. So better you can add some 4 GB extra. Otherwise, you can use Pega Cloud. Just wait. Still, it is loading. Still not yet started. Once it started, then we'll find. See that is going to expanding in this location. Which location? C folder. Temp. Everyone, please start the to install your system. Yeah, taking time. Yeah, started here. So when I get it, this kind of message means your Pega software started successfully. It's going right now. It will take some time. You need to wait. See that. Yeah. After that is started. So database server installation. It is loading all the tables. First, it will be server will be database server will be started. All the database will be loading. Then after that will be loading the rules, business rules. Whatever is available BRE, right? All the rules will be loading right now and installing in your system from the Pega platform to in your system. Started everyone? Hamsraj, Umesh, Satish, Reshmi, Vijay, Vivek, Vijay now it's Vivek, Yamini. Everyone is started? Dharani.
Yes, ma'am, they already installed.
Okay, good. Abhijit. Okay.
Sir, I'm in a
Let
different
him.
system now. I will install it in 8 GB system later of the day.
Okay.
I have network issues, sir. I'll download it.
Okay. Fine. Okay, I think it's taking time. So just assume that once it is completed here, the exit button will come here. Okay, after these buttons will go on, then exit button will come here. It will be automatically will be once it is completed. So there is one pop-up message will come. The all rules successfully done that. Then click that OK button. Then automatically here exit button will come. Click exit button. Then after that, go on desktop. There are 3 shortcuts will be created. Pega, PRPC, startup, shutdown, login. So keep it. Don't do anything. Okay, na? I'll tell you that after once you done success, it means that Pega software successfully installed in your local machine. Then how to start servers and launch the application. This all we will talk on Monday. These all things. Okay, na? So as of now, just install the Pega software in your system. These are the steps. If you have any issues, please let me know. We'll see that on Monday. So now the same thing what we discussed last 5 days. Recording classes are available with you. Just see that all the carefully and record. Then Monday I will ask you a question. Don't be silent. I want answers from you. Quick answers, not like slow answers also. So that's why you have the backup classes are there. It was all recording classes. Watch it, listen, and write the points also carefully. I'll give documents, no worries about it. But even you need to note the points. When you write the points in your notebook, then it will be you never forget. So that's what I'm telling you. Please, your side also just prepare document what we are discussing daily points. You need to note it on that. Okay, so Monday we'll see that. So any question from anyone? I'll keep it. I won't close this one because still it's going. Yeah, for me it's going still. Fine, yeah.
Hello.
We'll meet on Monday. Okay.
Sir, this is Naveen Kumar.
Yes, here, Naveen.
I'm already installed the application. Can I on my camera?
You install it, right? Keep it. That's why you will keep it. Why now you want to open the application or what? You installed successfully. Keep it. I'll tell you that how to open the application again.
Yes, I'm already open, but this page is showing.
What's showing here? Right click on this. Share your screen.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
No, please off your video. You don't want video.
Yes,
Just
sir.
share your screen. Just concentrate errors tab also if you're facing any issues while installing the Pega software.
1 minute.
Come on, Naveen. Left. Okay, fine. You left, I think so. Okay, we'll meet on Monday here. Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.